So now for number 7A part 1, do all of you all get the answer? Anybody need me to recap on this? Who couldn't get the answer? Do you all get the answer?
I got A part 1.
Yes, I got it.
A part 1, all got it, Can, All right, so now let's move on to A part 2. Now for A part 2, they ask you to find the value of P. So now, if you want to find the value of P, they tell you that P is equal to blah, 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 right? Okay, so this is a handful. So it means that first you need to find a few things. You need to first find your dy dx. Have you all found your dy dx? Yes, you have, right?
Yes.
From part 1, which is 3e minus 2x. Now, what is the next thing you need to find?
The d square y dx square.
Your second derivative. So how to find your second derivative? The only way to find your second derivative is to differentiate your differentiation one more time, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so have you all done that? So how
Yes.
to do it? So remember I told you guys to always ignore the constant. So keep it as it is. So keep the left, differentiate the inside. So when you differentiate this person, what do you get?
Negative 2. Oh, okay, I know.
Now after that, you need to, what happens?
Expand.
No. We are doing what rule,
Plus C.
guys? We are differentiating this. We are doing what rule? What rule are we using? Huh?
Product rule.
Yes, product rule. So what is next? I already keep left, differentiate right. Then after that, what must I do?
Plus
Bracket 2x.
Plus, keep right, and then
Differentiate.
Differentiate left. So differentiate left means what? When you differentiate this person now.
0.
Differentiate this person. So what do I get?
No, differentiate e is negative 6x e.
So the 3 will still be there, but it will give me what?
Negative 2 times negative 2.
Times negative 2 and?
X. Times negative 2x. Wait, is it? Oh, no, sorry. E to the power of negative 2x.
Yes. Now let's simplify this. So what do I get now? The one on the left, what will I have?
Negative 6 e to the power of negative 2x plus bracket negative 2x
This
plus
one will give you how much?
negative 6.
Negative 6. And then after that?
Minus
negative 2x plus 1.
So times negative 6. Negative 2x times negative 6 is how much?
12.
How much?
12x.
12x plus 12x minus 6.
And then bracket e minus 2x, right? So do you realize that you can take out common term? What's the common term you all can take out?
Minus 2x.
Beside e to the power minus 2x, what else?
Negative 6.
Yes, negative 6. So what am I left with now?
2x.
Be careful, be careful.
Negative 2x plus 1.
No. Wrong already. What am I left with now? We'll take out negative 6e to the power minus
1 plus negative 2x.
Yes, 1 plus
negative bracket. Oh, you don't need brackets. Okay. Negative x minus 1 plus 1
minus 1.
plus 1.
Okay, simplify it. What do I get now?
Negative 6e to the power of negative 2x bracket negative 2x plus 2.
Then do you realize I can still take out again?
Yes.
So what do I left now? I can take out
negative 12e to the power of
negative 12e to the power of negative 2x will give me
bracket 1 minus x.
Okay, so that is my this, right? So they say find the value of p if, can you see the p is this whole thing? So p is then equal to e to the power of 2x, open bracket. What did they say? They say that you must take your Negative 12 e to the power minus 2x, bracket 1 minus x, correct? Plus your dy dx. And how much is your dy dx?
3e to the power negative 2x, bracket negative 2x plus 1.
Yes. And then after that, need to minus away. Hello, guys. Minus away.
Minus away 2y.
And do we have our 2y?
Yes.
Yes.
Where do you get it from?
The
Your y
equation
equation.
Yes. And what is it?
3x e to the power negative 2x.
Okay. Then after that, go and simplify it. If you all simplify and do your algebra correctly, for sure you will get negative 9. All right, so now let's continue for 7b part 1. So for 7b part 1, if you can see, right, we know that that is the equation, but we know that there is no quotient rule for ln. So what must we do first?
We should do ln. We should
You
split
use
it into
the
ln.
yeah.
Yeah, I heard the keyword must split. Okay, so split into what?
Ln
Ln 1
bracket 1
minus
minus cos
cos
x minus ln sin x.
Then do you all think you all can differentiate from here already?
Yes.
Can already, right? So I want you all to go and try again. For the boys, you all say you all cannot get it. So try again and let me know. Okay, so right now let's move on to B part 2. Now, so when you differentiate, eventually you solve, you get cosecant x. Now, what happened to B part 2? They say that the point P moves along the curve such that blah is equal to blah. All right. Then now, what did they tell me? They say that what?
Find exact value of
Okay, exact value means I cannot really use my calculator. And what else?
when the rate of increase of y is
Cos.
twice
What is rate of increase of y means?
dy dt.
Very good. And what is
Equals
equal? Twice.
2 times
Times
dx over dt.
2 times. And then after that,
dx dt.
dx dt. But the thing is, over here, I have nothing that can help me to find the value of x. Okay, so for this case, what you need to do is you need to 2 times of dx of dt means what already?
Find dx dt.
Is there any way I can find dx dt if you read the question? Did they give me any clue to find dx dt?
No.
No, right? They never give me any clue. But it doesn't matter because why? I can actually split them up. Because why? dy dt, I have what, guys, from the first part?
You have
From the first part.
y dx.
So I know that from 1, I have dy dx. So it means I can split the dy dt, right? So the dy dt is actually equal to what? I can use what rule?
dy dx dx times dx over dt.
Yes, we can use the chain rule. So technically, I'm changing this person. So right now, I have dy over dx times dx over dt is equal to 2 dx dt, isn't it? Right, guys? Yes or no?
Yes.
So can you see I got dx dt, bye-bye, bye-bye. I can cross it out. So therefore, I can say that dy over dx is equal to 2. And do I have my dy dx? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I know that cosecant x is equal to 2. Then become trigo solving. But I need to change my cosecant x to what first?
To sine
X.
over
What?
1 over sine x.
is equal to 2. So I know that sine x is equal to? Equal to?
Sine x equals to 1/2.
Yes. Then do you think you can solve already? Go and find your basic angle and then solve and get your answer?
Yes.
Yes, and that's how you do question number 7. Next one, the last question of the day, question number 8. Let's go.